Hello students, today we are going to learn a new topic Chola dynasty. The case study of Chola dynasty. So the Cholas ruled from the 9th century to 13th century and secured firm hold on many areas like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. So they spread Indian culture in foreign lands, construct a grand temples and encourage Tamil literature. The Cholas were under a Pallavas in the beginning and later become independent. Sangam literature states that Karikala Chola was the founder of the dynasty. Vijayala Chola was made Tanjore as the capital revived the kingdom. King Rajaraja I was the able administrator. He expanded his kingdom and strengthened its foundations. The Cheras, Gangas, and Pandyas were overpowered by him. He built a strong naval power, captured Sri Lanka, and began overseas trade. He built the Brihadeshwara's temple. The greatly influenced the politics, economy, and the culture of Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and Singapore. The Chola Empire became a weak during the rule of Rajendra Chola III, and the Pandyas easily overpowered them. The administration system was the Cholas able and efficient. Chola kingdoms includes Mandalam, Kotavangi, Nadu, Kurram and Tarakurram, that is a village. There was a committee of subjects called Ur in every village. The highest of the Chola administrations was the development of the self-governance of the village in the form of Gram Sabhas. The Kurram had a village committee named Mahasabha whose members were chosen through elections. Sanskrit scholars and rich people were allowed to stand for them. The tax collected was 1/6 part of the land revenue. The Cholas constructed many lakes like Bellandur Lake near Bangalore. He built a huge pond, Gangaikonda, Chorapurams, and paid a social attention to irrigation. Being Shivites, the Cholas built many Shiva temples. The Brihadeshwara temple in Tanjore, which is 500 feet tall and has 250 feet wide courtyard and 200 feet tall shikara, is an example of Chola art and architecture. King Rajendra built the Choleshwara temple, Apremiya temple, Chanapanna, Panchalingeshwara temple, Begur, and Mukti Nateshwara temple, Binangmangalam. These are the example of temple built by Cholas. The temple was functioned as economic and cultural centers. The ideals of such as Shiva, Ganpati, Vishnu, Durga, and Kartikeya are famous. Agraharas was established by the Cholas to encourage education. Among these, the Uttaramangalugara is famous. The temple were centers of education and religious activities. Tamil literature found in all around development during this period. Ramayana Kamba, Periya Purna Secular, Jivika Chintamani, Thirukadevi. These are some literatures. Now, in this screen, there is a summary about our today's topic. So, thank you.